السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his prophet Muhammad, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Honorable President, respected judges, and my dear audience. Today my speech topic, usefulness of Madaris. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Holy Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما كان المؤمنون لينفروا كافة فلولا نفر من كل فرقة منهم طائفة ليتفقهوا في الدين ولينذروا قومهم إذا رجعوا إليهم لعلهم يحذرون. Clarifies their sins. It is not practically possible for all Muslims to acquire religious education. There should be at least a group of dedicated Muslims who to take it up. They should move about deeper understanding of faith at feet of ulama in various towns and cities, and on their return they should prepare their fellow Muslims better to meet the challenges Islam presents. This is exactly the role of madrasas. So if someone would ask me whether the Quran mentions madrasa, its role and responsibilities, the answer would be in affirmative. Although the words does not pointedly imply the expression madrasa, what is said is fully applicable to madrasa, its need and relevance and duty. My brothers, at the outset, it is acknowledged that all Muslims can to go and study, for it is neither easy nor physically possible. It would amount to turning a blind eye if every Muslim were charged with the duty. Allah says, وَمَا كَانَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ لِيَنْفِرُوا كَافَّةً. It is impossible to expect that everyone could join the madrasa as a student. Furthermore, Allah doesn't demand believer something which is impossible or impractical. Allah, being man's creator, is conservative with his limitation. He says in Holy Book, لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. Allah has placed them shortcoming as innate in human nature. However, Quran insists some Muslims from each town should dedicate themselves to the task of gaining religious knowledge. Some members from each locality, each profession, each town, each country make pursuit of religious education their lifelong mission. They should move about deeper understanding of faith. Gaining insight is a huge task. Quran uses an upward tafaqquh in this context, said, لِيَتَفَقَّهُوا فِي الدِّينِ. Students are expected to learn faith in depth, have a broad view of faith, and be able to relate their faith to the changing times. The basic principle of faith being internal. The basic principle of faith being internal and do not undergo any alternation. So the merit of madrasa is to maintain and deliver the above message. They should practically analyze needs and challenges. They should ensure that faith is preserved in its purity. Faith should be shared. It was the professed and practiced by Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his light be guarded carefully and other Muslims. They should evaluate new developments. Here I conclude my talk with sincere prayer to Allah. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.